I absolutely love this sheet mask. This is COSRX's Snail Mucin sheet mask. It is beloved on social media for good reason. All of COSRX's products are with Snail Mucin as it's extremely hydrating. Now, when you pull it open, you get 10 masks in this box, and each mask will come in its own separate package. When you pull them out, they are very almost slimy feeling, which has got to be that snail mucin. And so you just kind of put it on your face, make sure you have all the holes in the right places. I find on my long face, I get a bit of a gap underneath my nose, and the eye holes are just a little too small. So the sheet kind of pops up a little bit around each of my eyes. But past that, it goes on beautifully. I leave them on for 20 minutes, and then when I peel it off, I just pat in any of the lasting snail mucin that's still on my skin, and it feels so good. Now, they make a lot of promises on what this product should do. I'd recommend reading those, but the one thing I know is that this helps me so much in the winter time when my skin feels extra dry. It helps it get really, really hydrated. And it's especially wonderful for me as I also use a lot of retinol, so my skin gets super sensitive. So I will do this on off days when I'm not using retinol to have kind of like a calming, hydrating day where I just really take care of my skin. Now, when you look on the back of it, you will see that it has the directions in Korean and then in English as well. And it's very simple. It's exactly as I described it. You really do just put it on and then take it off, and it's just super hydrating. And as they say, it has 35,000 ppm of snail mucin filtrate. So that's your active ingredient. And then the main ingredient is actually water, which a lot of that will either evaporate or must get pulled into your skin in the process, as in the end, it all just goes right in, which is very cool. And finally, these don't have a smell, which I love. I mean, they might have a very mild smell, but I don't notice it. There isn't any perfumey smell. They're just extremely hydrating and are fantastic on my sensitive skin. I totally love them, and if you are considering this at all, I really recommend you giving these a try. I think you'll love them as well.